What's up, guys? This is Dr. Zach Geiser here with Coach Neil McDermott. We're going to be talking about our locked lumbar rotation screen. What our locked lumbar rotation screen measures is the amount of thoracic spine rotational capacity that you have. And so thoracic spine rotation is important, especially for rotational sport athletes like baseball players, softball players, golfers, volleyball players, things similar to that. And so why it's important is to be able to get into a hip-shoulder separation position. So if you're a pitcher, you really need to be able to get your pelvis facing forward while your shoulders are staying back. This allows you to get an elastic recoil, which produces more force. It allows you to take advantage of the summation of speed principle, which allows you to generate more torque. And it also allows you to stay on time, so that way you're able to stay on target. So what we're looking for in this test is, for rotational sport athletes, we want to be between 70 and 90 degrees of rotation. So Neil is a high-level baseball player. So he throws a fastball at 95 miles an hour, and I want to show you what good rotation looks like first. So what he's going to do is he's going to sink his hips back to his heels. This is important. If your hips don't stay on your heels, then you're going to have an increased amount of air in your chest, and you're not actually measuring thoracic spine rotation because you're going to have lumbar rotation involved as well. So then he's going to go ahead and put his right hand behind his back, and he's going to rotate up towards the sky. So you can see he's got about 90 degrees of rotation. So go ahead back to the starting point there, Coach. And so his shoulders are parallel to the floor here, and then he rotates up, and his right shoulder compared to his left shoulder is just about perpendicular to the ground. So that is good rotation right there. That is part of the reason why he's able to generate so much torque and throw some gas. So if you want to hop off there, thank you very much, Coach. And then we'll see a very bad example of what rotational capacity looks like. So I'm going to do the same exact test, but I throw nowhere near 95 miles an hour. I put my right hand behind my back and I rotate up. This is all that I've got. This is probably between 20 and 35 degrees of rotation. It is poor. I have a football spine. I played collision sports, and so the demands of my sport, I stopped playing rotational sports very early. The demands of the sports that I played gave me different adaptations than Coach has. So this is why training at a young age, training through development, is vital to make sure that you have what you need later in life.